three people that have duct tape on their moccasins find our arena director. We have a lot of people are wearing shoes, so anybody that has duct tape, use this duct tape on their regalia.
I think Paul's got some duct tape over there. Bad Bear, when they get the high sound, going to you for the next intertribal. This is also will be another spot dance for 3 spots. How are we looking out there, guys? You got all the spots wrapped up? One more spot, right? 2 more spot dances coming up. Another heads up before getting this intertribal dance judges. If Gabe or Michelle has asked you to be a judge, we're going to be calling you guys out here as we get down towards Fire Creek, so just be ready. Okay, Bad Bear. Spot dance. Arena up. Let's see how many of you can land on those 3 spots. Men's Platinum Combined. You're going to be our first dance category. Men's Platinum Combined. Okay,
our arena director said anyone that has a tribal ID, come and show it to our arena director who's out there dancing. I know all you just have your tribal IDs on you, I know it. In case ICE comes. But I'm a visitor.
You want a visiting state? Like if you're out of Michigan, Wisconsin, Minnesota.
There's one.
Somebody actually is carrying
There's
their
two.
card out there.
Everybody's got them. They said they're afraid of ICE being deported. Yay.
All right, looks like they got them. Hey, listen up, dancers. We got 2 more intertribals, and then we're getting into the platinum. So, real quick, those men judges and women judges, be ready. Walker Stonefish, Mervyn LaRose, Marin Denny, Amanda Moore, Melissa Isaac for the men. Once we get the high sign, we'll be going over to Mountain Town for one more spot dance. Looks good here. Whenever you're ready, boys. Sounds like the mic is on. Check over at Mountain Town, mic check.
Good singing there. First 3 people to come to the arena director wearing moccasins. Anybody that's wearing moccasins, the moccasins are wearing moccasins. 1, 2, 3, there you go. 2.
Who else has got Crocs on?
Who's wearing Crocs? Got your moccasins out. All right, we got all 3 of them.
Hey, on that fry bread contest, this is how it's going to work. If you want to get your fry bread in, you got to turn it in by 4 o'clock over at the Powwow Committee booth there, and they're going to judge it by 4:30. Got one more intertribal spot dance coming to you, and then we're getting into the platinum age and then the golden age.
So we're going over to Fire Creek. So if we get the high sign, you guys can go. Here. All right. Fire Creek. You're on the air. Spot dance.
For the men, come see Gage. For the women, Grace Hill, Tina Hensley, Jerry Thompson.
All right. Dancers out there. First one to come to our arena, first three to come to our arena director wearing Jordans. You got your Jordansons on? Jordansons. All right, how about anyone that's wearing tennis shoes? You ain't wearing Jordansons.
Drums for contest. We're going to be going in reverse order. So
Jordans
Fire Creek.
get it first, and then if there's no Jordans, then we'll go.
Gabe, you got all your judges? Once again on the women judges, Grace Hill, Tina Hensley, Kateri Thompson, Tracy Cleveland, Kasha Adams. For the female judges, our men judges, Walker Stonefish, Delaware Potawatomi, Mervyn LaRose, Fond du Lac, Marion Denny, Oneida, Amanda Moore, Comanche, Melissa Isaac, Ojibwe, Sag Chip. All these judges come see Gabe and Michelle. Drums, reverse order. First one up, platinum. Men combined, platinum men combined, and then women combined. Then we're going into Golden Age traditional men, Golden Age traditional women. In your Golden Age categories, Fancy and Grass are combined, and Jingle and Fancy are combined. Once we get through there, we're going into our teens and juniors. The sun is out. Everything looks wonderful out there this afternoon, ladies and gentlemen. This is our platinum categories. These are our grandfathers, our uncles, brothers, if you're old enough. Looks like all our judges are right where they need to be. Once we get the high sign from the arena director, we're going to Fire Creek for platinum age men 60 and up. There it is. All right, Fire Creek. Take it away, boys. Right on, gentlemen, come on over here and line up in front of Wayne Silas. Get in the line there. Our women platinum combined. Start working your way out in the dance arena. Mountain Town, you're going to have that song. As soon as we're ready to go, we're moving, we're moving. We also have a young girl, looks to be about 4 or 5 years old up here, is looking for her parents. She's got a light purple dress, floral. She's looking for her parents, so parents, if you're out there, if you got young ones, let's try to keep an eye on them so they're not getting lost and being scared. Our golden or platinum age women. You'll work your way out into the arena. Once we get the high sign, we're going straight to Mountain Town. Golden age men, be ready here next, and then golden age women, traditional. In the high sign, looks like our ladies are out there getting ready. Mountain Town, be ready. All right. Mountain Town, give us that song, boys. has got his hand up over here. Bring our ladies on down. Golden Age Men's Traditional. Start working your way out in the dance arena. Bad Bear, you're going to have that song. Golden Age Women Traditional. Be ready. You are on deck. After that, we're going to hit the Golden Age Fancy and Grass combined, and then the Golden Age Fancy and Jingle combined. Golden Age men, we're ready to go. Bad Bear, give us that song. All right, guys, line up over here in front of Wes and Wayne. Next up, we're going to have Golden Age Women. Start working your way out in the dance arena under the pines. You're going to have that song. On deck, Golden Age Fancy Grass Men. Combined, the boys, you're going to have that song. Fire Creek, you're going to have Fancy Jingle combined, Fire Creek. Our ladies are getting themselves situated out there. Golden Age Women's Traditional. Nice, son. Everybody looking good. Looks like they're ready to go. Under the pines. There you go, there you go. Line up over here, ladies. Next on the list here, we're going to go over to the boys. So our men's fancy grass golden age combined. Start working your way out into the dance arena. Our fancy and grass combined in the golden age categories. Golden age women fancy jingle combined. You are on deck. Once we're done with the golden age, we're going to do the tiny tots. So tiny tots, be ready. 2 starts. On this. Two starts on this song, the boys. 2 starts. How many we got out there? Fancy jingle combined. 4 starts now. All right. Here we go. The boys, 4 starts, gentlemen, 4 starts.
Sit down for 2.
All right, ladies and gentlemen, let's have a round of applause for these 3 gentlemen.
Walker said he was waiting for that tail to come on there. He said he was ready to go another couple rounds.
Golden age women fancy jingle combined. Start working your way out in the dance arena. Listen, spectators, the people within earshot, listen up real quick. If you are parked over there by the dumpsters, this is your last chance to move your vehicle. They are going to be towed. If you are parked by those dumpsters, it will be towed. This is your last call. Fire Creek, you're going to have this song. After this, Tiny Tots, Be Ready, Mountain Town. You're going to have that song for the Tiny Tots. Checking the high sign, make sure everybody's situated out there. This is our last Golden Age category. After this category, the Tiny Tots, teens be ready, and then juniors. Got the high sign anywhere? Here we go. Fire Creek. Nice job, ladies. Line up over there, Irene. Let them get your numbers down. Tiny Tots, get your way out into the dance arena. Calling all Tiny Tots. All those little ones. Come on, aunties, grandmas, moms, cousins. Get them ready, get them out there. Mountain Town, we're going to have that song. Then we're going into our teen categories. Teen categories. Boys Traditional. We're going to follow the same order that we've been following. Once again, if you park by those dumpsters over there, you're running out of time. Tow truck is en route. All right. We got our Tiny Tots out there. Look at them coming. Bring them all out. You guys get some day pay. There you go. Fill it up. Everybody's out there. All right, Mountain Town, give us that song for our Tiny Tots, gentlemen. towards the MC, you'll see Wayne in a blue shirt is waving you over. Parents, bring your young ones over here. They go down on the side here and get your getting paid. We got a couple minutes while we get on to the next category. So, Teen Boys Traditional. Be ready. Start working your way over here. Teen Girls Traditional. Be close by. Boys Traditional. Back there, you're going to have that song. So be ready, boys. Also, for the fry bread contest, you got to hand your fry bread over to the powwow committee by 4 o'clock. We're going to judge it at 4:30. While you're over there, you can get in on some of the raffles, the 50-50 raffle, the scooter raffle. All those things are available. Spectators, over on the west side of the arena, you'll find all the food vendors over. Bad Bear, you're going to have this song for the Teen Boys Traditional. Teen Girls Traditional, be ready. Teen Girls Traditional. I'll give you a high song. All right, Bad Bear. Teen Boys Traditional.
Come over and line up, boys. Teen girls. Teen girls traditionally. Come on out into the arena. All the veterans that carry in the staff, we can go over and pick up their stipends. All the veterans that carry, come over here, down on the MC stand. All the veterans that carry the staff. Okay. Come over and line up, girls. Somebody lost a Thunderbird pendant in the arena. Check your regalia, see if you lost your pendant. Team boys grass. We're going with the boys on this song. Come on out, boys. Teen girls jingle. man, isn't that beautiful? Give them a big round of applause, people. These young men coming out here, showing their style, dancing to the boys.
Yeah, it sounds like the boys bringing the fire, singing that old PJ song over there.
And we have the girls come out, jingle dress. Fire Creek, you'll have this song. Teens Fancy, boys Mountain Town will have. Okay, here we go. Fire Creek. Okay, come on over and line up, girls. Boys Fancy. Boys Fancy. Come on out. Mountain Town, you'll have this song.
Junior categories, be ready. Junior categories, you'll be up next once we finish the teens. 2 push-ups, Mountain Town, 2 push-ups. All right, take it away, Mountain Town. 2 push-ups, boys. Okay, come on over. Girls fancy. Let's go. Under the Pines, I believe you have this song. All right, take it away. Bad Bear. All right, line up over there, ladies. Over by Wayne. Junior categories. Get ready, you're on deck right here. Junior boys, traditional. Start working your way out into the dance arena in our junior categories now. So our juniors, boys traditional. That song is going to go to Under the Pines, and then we're going to go into the girls traditional, junior girls traditional, to the host drum, the boys. We're following the same rotation all the way through in our junior categories. All right, we got the high side. Take it away, Under the Pines.
Okay, come on over, line up, boys. Junior girls traditional. Junior girls traditional. We'll go to the boys for this song. And junior boys grass, you're on deck. Be ready, junior boys grass. Fire Creek will have that song for the grass, junior boys grass dance. Junior girls traditional, get out there in the arena so we can see you. Dancers, Josiah and Hope, come get your honorarium. All right, come on over and line up, girls. Junior boys grass. Junior girls jingle are up. You're up next after this. Junior boys grass. Fire Creek, you'll have this song. There was a credit card turned in belonging to Robert Brockway. Robert Brockway, your card is up here. We're just buying some stuff online right now, but if you hurry. But bring another form of ID. Also bring another credit card because we're running low on this one. Okay, here we go. Fire Creek. Okay, come over. Junior Girls Jingle. Mountain Town, you'll have the song Junior Girls Jingle. And then Boys Fancy will be on deck. Robert Duran Brockway, we have your credit card up here. You left at one of the booths. Robert Brockway. If you're looking for your card, we have it. Here we go. Mountain Town. If you have your dogs, take them home. All right, come on over and line up, girls. Junior boys, fancy. And we're going to Bad Bear for this song. And then we'll go to Junior Girls Fancy after this with Under the Pines. As soon as we get the high sign. Also, that card is still up here. Robert Brockway, we have your credit card. Again, we want you to hurry up, come up here, bring another card. There's some other items we want to buy, but we don't have enough on this one. Okay, here we go. Bad Bear. Come on over, boys, line up. Junior girls fancy. We'll go with Under the Pines for this song. Junior girls fancy, come on out.
Fry bread contest, you got 15 minutes to get your samples over to the powwow committee. 15 minutes, and they're gonna judge those at 4:30.
Okay, here we go. Under the Pines. Oh, come on over, girls, line up. I want to thank you to all the judges out there that come out and stood in the heat. We appreciate you coming out, and we also appreciate that we have the heat to stand in instead of the rain. So we're grateful on both accounts. We're grateful for the rain because down here they needed it, and we're grateful that it stopped because we wanted to dance. And we're grateful for all the judges that came out, our singing judges, our dance judges. Robert Brockway, we still have your credit card up here at the MC stand. We're going to go into a round of intertribals. We have spot dances to do. We're going to go to the host drum, starting off with our host drum. Then we'll go back in order.
There's a free promo going around from the casino. They got blue shirts on. It's free. I think it's a $25 promo. So if you see somebody from the casino in a blue shirt, make sure you snag them up. Get in on those 50/50s and all those raffles from the Powwow Committee over at the Red Canopy. Intertribals will be back in the top of the order following the same rotation. Under the Pines, Bad Bear, Mountain Town, and Fire Creek. Once we get everything cleared out here, we'll go straight to the top of the order. How's everybody out there today? You having a good time? Absolutely beautiful weather right now. I'd like to thank Resonance Productions bringing the sound system out here. They're posted live on YouTube and the Saginaw Chippewa Powwow on Facebook. You can get on there and get an account registered. You can watch it live there as well. All right, we're going to go to the top of the order with the boys. Intertribal time. Ladies and gentlemen, come on out. We got a spot dance. Here we go. We're going to pick 5 spots, ladies and gentlemen, 5 spots. Intertribal spot dance, ladies and gentlemen, come on down. You're dancing to the boys, world champion singers.
Okay, the first 5 dancers in regalia to come over to our arena director will get that spot, the first 5. All right, and then we're gonna going over to Under the Pines for our next intertribal, another spot dance, and we'll tell you how that one will go. Mad Bear, you're on deck, Mad Bear. Come on, ladies and gentlemen, let's fill the dance arena up one more time. Spot dance.
your spots, hold your spots. Now, the arena director is over on the opposite side, the west side of the arena. Our arena director, Wayne Silas Jr. in the blue shirt. So, the first 5 over there that have 2 braids, long braids, over a foot long. No little pigtails. They gotta be at least a foot. 2 braids. Well, we got 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. All right, that's a good sign when you got that many people out there sporting double braids. Bad Bear, you're on deck. Then Mountain Town. All right, next intertribal, take it away, Bad Bear, let's go.
Spot dance again.
And Pamp, you gotta dance on beat, not off beat.
Okay, dancers, hold your spot. Look around for our arena director. The first 5 people who are barefooted. Barefoot means no shoes on. There's 1, 2,000.
He is inspecting toenails. So if you got a snaggle foot, you're disqualified.
All right, all right. We're going over to Mountain Town for another intertribal. Also, this mountain will be a spot dance too, so stay in the arena. We have another giveaway spot dance. Somebody left their sandalsons out there. Instead of moccasin sandalsons.
They might be chunkless.
They danced right out of them. Like our fancy dancer last night. He was smoking. Here we go, Mountain Town.
Kathy Daly. Kathy Daly, can you come to the MC booth? Kathy Daly, MC booth.
Okay, listen up, listen up. This one is the first 5 singers wearing Jordans. First 5 singers wearing Jordans. Come on out. Oh, they're almost knocking each other over. We have 4. We need 1 more. Got this.
One quick announcement, if you can hear, ladies and gentlemen, if you have a dog that you brought to the powwow and on the grounds here, we've had a few complaints with some of the dogs fighting with other dogs. We haven't seen it here in the arena, but maybe in the campgrounds or in the parking area. So the powwow committee just asks that you keep an eye on your dogs so they're not getting into mischief.
Okay, we're going to another spot dance. Another 5, and we're going over to Fire Creek for this intertribal. Here we go. Intertribal time, come on out, all you people sitting around, fanning yourselves. Might as well come on out and get yourself good sweat going here. Then fan yourself. Come out in the arena. You'll have a good reason why to fan yourself. Hopa! 5 spots for the spot dance. Okay, dancers. The first 5 dancers that come to our arena director that are wearing a sundress. A sundress. They're all coming. Look at it. Holy, look at her run. Gee, she went out for track. She thinks it's gold medal she's going to get as fast as she's running. Here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. We got them right here. All right. Again, I just want to, if you have a dog here, the committee asks you to remove it because I guess they're not getting along with other dogs. Why can't we all just get along? Hey.
I think we're getting ready to go move into a dinner break, but before we do break, I just want to let everybody know when we come back later this evening, we're going to have 3 committee specials this evening. The 3-generation team dance special will be this evening. The women's fancy special will be this evening, and the women's traditional special will be this evening.
Also, let you know, all you people here, spectators, there's a lot of really good fine foods out there. I know a little while ago, we got sent up some deep-fried mushrooms. Man, they were hot and juicy. So they come from the Rapio stand, but there's all kinds of foods. You get out there, you're feeling a little hungry. There's also some really good lemonade over there. I know Maingan's lemonade. So there's a lot of things to go check out, and the vendors.
Do we have an official consensus on dinner break happening right now?
And again, just a reminder, Robert Brockway, your United Explorer Mileage Plus card has been turned in.
All right, we got the official word from our arena directors. We are breaking for dinner right now, so drums, you guys are good. Dancers, you are good as well. I know right now the word is grand entry will be at 7 o'clock. Drum roll call at 6:45. All dancers be ready. All dancers be ready. Grand entry at 7 p.m. Kathy Daly.